everyone, welcome back to my lab, and today's video is going to be an unboxing. I got my Ipsy box for the month of June. Yes, I said June, and yes, it's already July, as well as my BoxyLuxe box. They both arrived really late this month. I do like to unbox them on my channel. Somebody gave me the idea of reviewing the boxes the month after, and I'm gonna try to do that. I unboxed the Tribe Beauty box as well as the Boxycharm Premium a couple of weeks ago, and I've been testing out the products so that I can bring you my opinion on those products. That way, even if you're not subscribed to the boxes, if there's a specific product that's really great, you can go out and purchase that specific product if you're interested. I know that this is a model that I've seen glitter fallout. Do I really enjoy her channel? And I think that Jen Loves Reviews also used to do her unboxings in that way back when she would do the unboxings. Before we get into the boxes, if you're new here, I'm Jody. Thank you so much for joining me for today's video. Hope you're going to enjoy it. And if you do, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up while you're watching and consider subscribing so you can join our growing makeup family. Big thank you to my returning subscribers. I really appreciate your love and support. And a special thank you to the first 5 commenters on my previous video. Those that have YouTube channels will have the YouTube logo and be linked in the description box down below in case you're looking for some fun new channels to watch. Now, without any further delay, let's go ahead and get into these boxes. Let's go ahead and start with the Ipsy box or Ipsy bag. This is the one for June. I did an extreme unboxing in which I went through all of the pluses and minuses of these subscription boxes that I have. So if you're interested in the nitty-gritty details of those boxes, that video is going to be useful for you. So here is my bag for Ipsy. One of the things that I enjoy about Ipsy is that they let you choose 3 of the items from their pre-selected choices, if you know what I mean. Watch that video if you're not familiar with it. But here's what the bag looks like. It's very cute, and my products are going to be inside. They do send a card, but the card never has any information about the products. No, it's just a bold beauty challenge, working with color. It's never the information about the products. Those are on the app. So I'm just gonna leave the prices of the items on the screen for you. So reaching in, the first thing that I'm seeing is by Ciate London, and this is the Everyday Decay Dewy Coconut Setting Mist. I actually have one of these mists in my collection already, but I've never used it. This one is about 2 fluid ounces. Here's what the packaging looks like. Let's go ahead and check out the mister. Again, I want to review it for you. It does smell like coconut. I love the smell of coconut, so already I'm gonna enjoy that. Oh yeah, it smells really good. It's not the most fine mist, but it's not too bad. I'll definitely report back on how this one performs. It's a product that I'm happy to receive in the bag, even though I already own it. I go through setting mist fairly quickly. Next, we have a palette, and this is a palette by We Are Fluid. So this is Navigate the World from Your Own True North. Okay, and this is the Otherworldly palette. So it comes in a sleeve, and here's what that looks like. Really pretty packaging. It's a hard cardboard box, and inside it says, express your otherworldly self, make up the rules. And here is that palette. What pretty color story. It has a lot of pumpkin type shades. It has a shade to deepen out the outer V, and it has 2 metallics and what appears to be a pressed glitter. That one is the shade Quarkle. But what a pretty color story. This is a really pretty color story. So this palette is made in China, cruelty-free and vegan, and I believe that the brand is based out of New York. Brooklyn, New York. Very pretty color story. Another good item in Ipsy. Let's see what else we have. Next we have, this I know is a choice item. So this is the Tarte C Hydro Sealer. So this is a concealer. They sent me the shade 25H. They did not let me choose my shade. That's one of the issues I have with the Ipsy box, where they do not allow you to select your shade. Now this one, it looks a little bit dark in the packaging compared to my skin tone, but I actually was in Sephora the other day and I knew this was what they were going to send me because I saw it in the app, and I double checked the shade and it looks like it's actually going to work, although it wouldn't necessarily be the shade I would have picked for myself. It's listed as light medium honey. I probably would have gone for something listed as light medium neutral, but still it's a fantastic product to be able to try out in the box, and I am definitely going to give it a shot and report back. And next we have something by, I believe The brand is called Feel, and this is a lip balm. Actually, it just says Vitamin E Balm. A natural skin protective complex of castor seed oil and sunflower wax instantly moisturizes dry lips and skin. So I guess you can apply it anywhere, although it has, you know, like a lip balm applicator, so that's probably how I will go about using it. I appreciate lip balms. I've never really heard about this one. Let me see if it has a smell. Actually, it smells a little bit minty, which makes sense because it has peppermint oil in it. It also has limonene and some other things in here. I'll give it a shot and see how that works out. And the last item is from Viseart. I think this might have been a choice item. This is the Petite Pro 2 palette. So it's the Petite Pro 2. I have the Petite Pro 1, and it's a palette I used to travel a lot with because they're just such tiny little well-curated palettes. And let's see. It's a little bit powdery, but here's what that one looks like. I don't think it wants to focus. A very pretty palette, all peach pinks and purple shades. The whole top row is matte, and then the whole bottom row are going to be shimmers. Viseart is a very nice eyeshadow brand. I love their matte formula, and I don't own this palette already. So that's 5 items in my Ipsy box. You know, I kind of like this one. The one I'm least excited about is the lip balm, just because I don't really recognize the brand, and then I don't really like the scent. But all of the other items, the concealer, the fluid palette, the coconut mist, these are good items. Very happy. We got a good one. Ipsy sometimes, I don't know, they don't give me the best choice items sometimes. But these are good. I'm going to go ahead and put the retail price up on the screen. Let me know what you think of the value of this box. And next month when I unbox my other Ipsy box, I'll let you know how these products worked out. Moving right along to the BoxyLuxe. I haven't been too happy with my BoxyLuxes lately. This month, based on the sneak peeks that I was seeing, which are very few and far between now, it looked like the base box was actually better, but you never know. Let's go ahead and give my BoxyLuxe a try. Here's what it looks like all packaged. They do send a card, and these do have the prices of the items. I'm gonna go ahead and just include the prices on the screen unless something like really catches my interest, but the theme is Dare to Dazzle this time around. Right on the top, I'm seeing an eyeshadow palette, and this is by Ciate. So we've got multiple products by Ciate this time around. This is the I Am Woman, What's Your Superpower palette. Now this palette raised a lot of eyebrows when it was teased on Instagram. The conversation was just... So I'm actually not surprised to see it in the box because I think it was made for Women's History Month or something like that, and they didn't actually have any like charitable donations associated with the palette either. There is a pamphlet about each of the women. I believe each of the women have a shade named after them, and here's what the palette looks like. Now, it's not to say that the palette isn't pretty. It's really pretty, and it's pink, and I kind of get it if it's with a feminine theme. But for instance, just some of these women are really powerful historical trailblazers, and these colors are just, I don't think it does them justice. You know, for instance, this matte kind of brow bone shade, this is Frida Kahlo. She was an artist. I don't doubt she would have used this color somewhere, but she was an artist. She was... Anyway, Ruth Bader Ginsburg, it is just like a matte brown. We have Harriet Tubman, a pinky brown. Like, I don't know. Like, I understand that they were trying to honor really powerful female figures in history, but for some reason it just missed the mark. And the fact that there was no charitable aspect to it, and they're using these people's names in a palette, I understand why it was raising eyebrows. Now, it is a pretty palette. I will try it. I'll give it a shot. I like pink eyeshadow, but the whole premise behind the palette, I don't know. I don't know. So I'm not surprised to see it in the box because I don't think anybody was buying it. Like I said, it has a little pamphlet with information about each of the women featured, which I think that's a nice touch. Next, we have something from, this is First Aid Beauty, and this is the Pure Skin Gentle Foaming Face Cleanser. It looks like it's one of those that foams on its own. First Aid Beauty, it's just a cleanser, and it's a foaming cleanser. I personally like foaming cleansers because I like my cleansers to lather. It says says it's safe for sensitive skin. I will go ahead and give this a try. I'm going to actually try it today when I wash off my makeup and see how I do. It's not going to be my first cleanse. I'll do it as a second step, but I'll definitely give it a shot and report back. First Aid Beauty is a very recognizable brand. I haven't tried this, and so I'm very happy to have it in the box. Next is an item I remember was a choice item for me. This is by Moxie Lash, and this is with the whole magnetic lash craze. So I decided to give it a shot. I tried magnetic lashes, the ones that they have the magnet on the lashes and you have a top and bottom. I made a really funny video, at least I thought it was funny, a long time ago trying those lashes, and there's a learning curve to applying them. It's not that easy. I always found it easier to just learn how to use glue, but this is a new thing now with the magnetic liner. So it looks like you get 30 pieces of the removal swabs. You get an information card, a set of lashes. These are the Sassy lashes. I'll show you those in a minute, and it looks like a teeny tiny sample of the magnetic liner. I mean, it's okay. I've seen the liner on add-ons, so if it's any good, I can definitely buy one from the add-on shop. And they carry this brand at Ulta as well. So it's a teeny tiny little bottle, but definitely enough to give it a try. Let's take a look at the lashes. I think I also saw several styles of these pop up on the Boxycharm add-ons. So here's the style. They're kind of long, but I could probably use them in the outer V of my eye. These are in the style Sassy Lash, I believe. They are 100% mink lashes, so if you are a cruelty-free person, you probably wouldn't be able to use this since they are mink lashes. Just the same, I'm curious to try the trend. I've seen different brands kind of come up with this kind of idea. I think that there's a brand actually going to send me some of their magnetic lashes so I can actually compare and see which one is better. So it's a nice little trial kit. I do use false lashes from time to time, so I don't mind giving it a try. Next we have something from Dr. Brandt, and this is the Triple Antioxidant Face Cream. Now see, this is going to be challenging because from my Boxycharm Premium, I have a face cream I'm using, or maybe that's a serum. I think it was a serum. So anyway, I'll go ahead and give this a try as well. This one is the Triple Antioxidant Face Cream. Visibly smooths wrinkles and prevents signs of aging. I always feel like these boxes are personally attacking me. It makes sense though, because I believe in my beauty quiz I mentioned that those are my concerns. Fine lines, wrinkles, aging, etc. So we'll give this one a try. It's got like special Pride packaging, I believe. Yeah, it says hashtag say I love you with pride. Apply on cleansed skin, AM and PM. Give it a shot and report back. Next we have something from Avant. We get so many products from Avant. I have at least 10 Avant somethings. This one is the Hyaluronic Lactic Vitamin B3 Mint Glycerin Collagen. It's the Hyaluronic Acid Replenishing Lip Serum. I haven't tried a lip serum before, so let's see. Okay, so here's what that looks like. Let me check the instructions. It just says smooth evenly over lips as needed, may be used under lipstick or alone. Alright, so hyaluronic acid is to hydrate, plump, balance moisture levels, and the lactic acid is to lighten the pigmentation and nourish the lips. Why would you want to lighten the pigmentation of your lips? I mean, I'm always complaining that my lips are really pigmented when I'm wearing light colored lipsticks, but I never thought to lighten the color. I'll give it a shot. We'll see how it works. I don't have any lip serums in my rotation, only lip balms. Alright, next we have a set of Luxe brushes. I got a beautiful set of Luxe brushes in my Try Beauty box. I'll link that unboxing up in the cards in case you want to see kind of what products I'll be reviewing next time around. They were really, really nice brushes. I like them. So these come in this pretty purple pouch. Inside we have a sponge. And we've got 4 eye brushes. So it looks like a blender brush, 2 shader brushes, and an eyeliner brush. I do enjoy Luxe Beauty brushes, and so I will go ahead and give these a try and report back. I mean, I can tell you right now, they're going to be fine. I just would never really pay the retail price because I get them so frequently in subscription boxes, and then I'm always getting their emails that they're having a sale. So it's kind of funny that the pouch is purple and the brushes are blue. Pretty color though. Right, so we've got the Luxe brushes. Next we have something from NARS, and this is the NARS blush in Orgasm. I'm actually not going to open this one because I own Orgasm. No, it's not super handy right this second, but I actually already own NARS Orgasm, so I'll probably put this one in a giveaway so someone else can take advantage of it. I can actually tell you what I think of it now. It's a very pretty blush. It's a luminous blush, so it's kind of more on trend with what's happening right now, where those really glowy blushes are popular. It's like a peachy pink color. It's super pretty. And only one more item in my box, and this is the Smith French Dublin Fresh Green Leaves Aromatic Hand Wash. It's quite a hefty bottle of hand wash. 16.9 fluid ounces. It's hand wash. I understand that Boxycharm is a lifestyle box, and so you're more likely to get things like this body care, personal care items. And you know, honestly, I've been going through hand wash like crazy, and so I'll definitely get some use out of this one. I've gotten hand washes in other boxes and they are used up and gone already, so I'll definitely get some use out of this one. With regard to this box, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's definitely worth the price of $50 and change for taxes and such, but let's see, what am I most excited about in this box? I would have to say for sure the cleanser. I'm very curious to see how that works. I like the hand wash. Definitely like the hand wash. I like the brushes, but in terms of like personal curiosity, the cleanser and the lip serum, just because I've never used a lip serum in the past. Not a bad box. Definitely not a bad box at all. Oh, and the lashes. I'm very curious about this trend. See how it works. See if it's easier than the other lashes. And then I can compare them to the ones that are going to be sent to me and see how that goes. Well, that was everything for my BoxyLuxe. I'd love to hear what you thought of my BoxyLuxe and Ipsy. I think even though Ipsy is a $25 value, I have to say that in terms of makeup, Ipsy really had it. Ipsy really won this time around in terms of makeup, if that's what you're mostly interested in. And I know a lot of people enjoy subscription boxes for makeup, others for skincare. So either way, lots of palettes, lots of things to try out for you. And I hope to come back, and when I do my unboxing next time around, I hope to report back with regard to all of these products. Hopefully that's something that you're going to enjoy. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below, because it's going to be a little bit extra work for me. I'm happy to do it if you're happy to watch it. So just let me know what you think in the comment section, and let me know what you thought of the products that I received overall. I'd love to know if you got similar products or something different, and if you used any of these, I would love to know what you think. That's everything for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please don't forget that big thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I would love to see you again on a future video. Thank you again for spending a few minutes of your day with me. I really appreciate it, and I look forward to seeing you again very, very soon on my next one. Bye-bye.